So we are starting on, well, this is something that you guys didn't start with us on, but this is a Q45, one of our good long time friends slash customers cars. It's a Q45 with a LS from a GTO. So we're finally getting going on this one. So we built the mounts and all that stuff. Here's the shifter hole. And so now we're just going to start tackling the wiring on it. Well, actually, we're going to tackle on cleaning some of this out. So we made a little bit of progress on the Q. We've got the factory LS harness off. We were able to get we actually had to cut off the Nissan harness. The Nissan harness on the inside is routed pretty poorly. It's wrapped around a couple of things in there. So what we're going to try to do is try to push the car out, make some space, push the car out, because where it's at, it's parked next to another car. There's just not enough room to really pull everything out. I've got the factory ECU unplugged, which actually was a bear to do as well. So, yeah, we just, like I said, we haven't gotten the harness completely out. We may have to do some more cutting just to get it out. But, so, I wanted to do a quick overview on the harness. So, this is I did an unboxing video a long time ago, like maybe a year, actually even 2 years ago. So this is a later model unit. For the most part, the ECU and the display are the same. They give you this sweet suction cup now. This particular one, though, has additional sensors. It's got a, I think, fuel and oil pressure sensor hiding down there. I think so, anyways. But so the harness here, basically, this is the only one that's going inside. This is the main ECU plug here, and ACES has changed up a little bit on how they handle things. And what I mean by that is that now they give you a bunch of sub harness. I think before they had a couple sub harnesses, but for the most part it was like one big one. Another good thing that I did while inspecting this was that if you look here, this is a EV14 style connector. On the engine, because it is a 5.7 from a GTO, it actually has like the EV6 style injector still. So we'll have to get adapters for that. So I'm actually really happy about looking at that. And I'm not going to go too much into this video. Just kind of wanted to give you guys an update of where we're going with it. If you're interested, I'll leave the link below on the original unboxing video. Just keep in mind that that is an older unit. It's not the same. It's not set up. It's still mostly set up the same, but it's not like the complete one-for-one same.